231. Now in this question number 66 onwards, based on reasoning. Now in the first one, certain number of persons are seated in a row and they are facing towards north, and E sits third to the right of H, and E is third to the right of whom? Third to the right of H, and H is not immediate to S. That means H and S are not adjacent to each other, and two persons in between S and V. Now in between S and V, how many persons are there? Exactly two persons. Maybe S is to the left hand side of V, or V is to the left hand side of S, and V who is to the immediate left of K. Now this V is to the immediate left of K, both these two persons are together, and V is to the immediate left of K, and the number of persons between V and B same as B and R. V and B equals to B and R. That means B must be exact in between these two persons, B and R. And H sits sixth to the left of R. Now H is seated sixth to the left of R, H is here, and sixth to the left of R means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, R is here. H is seated sixth to the left of R. Then again, now the first information between H and E, there must be exactly two people, E is here. And H is seated sixth to the left of R, and T is an immediate right of R. T is to the immediate right of R, T and R adjacent, and T sits at one of the extreme ends of the alignment, so T is at the right extreme, and B sits fifth to the right of S. Now B is fifth to the right of S, this is one more information, and B is fifth to the right of S. Then, now what is the other information we have here? Now H and E is అయిపోయింది కదా. Next one between V and B and R, and S and B, there are exactly how many people? 5 people are there. And next one, H and S are not adjacent to each other. V and B equals to V and R. And next one, S and V. Now in this S and V, now if S is here, then V will be here. That is one possibility. And next one, R, V is to the left hand side of S. Now there are two possibilities to this one. Either V is to the left of S, or S is to the right of. Now V is here. Then in this one, V is to the immediate left of K, V is to the immediate left of K. Here also, V is to the immediate left of K is given. As V is to the immediate left hand side of K, now between S and B, how many people are there? Now S and B, there are 4 people. Now between S and B 2 people, and S and B sits fifth to the right of S, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, B is here. And next one, V and B equals to B and R. Now in this one, V and B, how many people? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And again between B and R, we need to have 7, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then V and B, B and R. Then V is to the immediate left of K, we have done with this one, S and V, and R and T. R and T are adjacent, T is to the immediate right. Now, third to the left hand side of R is E, there must be exactly 2 people, and between E and H, exactly 2 people are there. And next one, any other information left over here? Number of persons between V and B, same as B and R. And this is the final arrangement we have. And let's go through the information once again. E sits, whatever this E, and E is third to the right of H. H is not adjacent to S. H and S are not adjacent to each other. And 2 persons between S and V. V who is to the immediate left of K. Number of persons in between V and B, there are 7, same as the number of persons between B and R. And H is sixth to the left of R, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And T is an immediate right of R, and T sits at one of the extreme. B sits fifth to the right of S. Clear? Now this is the final arrangement. And according to this one, tell me how many persons are there in this? And 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. All together we have some 18 persons. That is choice 3, question number 66. Then 4 out of the following. S and K, there is one person between these two, and T and E, there are 3 persons, and between H and B there is one person, R and H again, and the number of persons is not unique. Then K is to the right hand side of S. Now K is to the left of S, and E is to the left of T, and this B is to the left of H, and this H is to the left of R, and this B and B is to the right of S, except choice 5. And in the remaining choices, the second person is to the left hand side of the first person. Then what is the position of R with respect to E? R with respect to E, 1, 2, 3, third to the right. Now third to the right, and it is given in choice 2, question number 68. And how many persons are to the right hand side of H? 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 persons are to the right hand side of H, choice 2, 69. And which of the following is true? H is to the left of H, that is false. And 3 persons between E and H is false. R is to the immediate right of E, that is again false. B is exactly between S and E. B is exactly between S and E, definitely true, choice. And it's question number 70, the choice for is the answer. Then 71 onwards. Now this is based on syllogisms. Model number 1 logically follows. Some of the roses are flowers. Some roses are flowers can be written like this. Now this is rose and flower, and only a few flowers are red. Now only a few flowers are red means only some flowers are red but not all. All these flowers cannot be red. Konni flowers maatrame red avutunayi, anni kaadu ani annadu. No red is black. No intersection between red and black. Then all flowers can be roses. Now tell me whether all these flowers can be roses or not. Now tell me whether I can able to write my rose like this or not. Yes. And second, some flowers are not red. Some flowers are not red. As of now, these are the flowers which are not red is true. Now to make that one false, I need to write down all flowers are red. Now tell me, is it possible to write like this? No. If I write like this, only some of the flowers are red will be invalid. Because all flowers are red, hence alternate diagram cannot be drawn. This will be true forever. Hence what is your answer? Both 1 into choice 1. My conclusion, second one, మనం false చేయడానికి try చేసాం by proving its alternate diagram, that is complementary pair. మనకి ట్రై చేసినప్పుడు కూడా ఈ కంక్లూజన్ ఒక్కసారి కూడా ఫాల్స్ అవ్వట్లేదు. ఒక్కసారి కూడా ఫాల్స్ అవ్వలేదంటే 100% is definitely true. 71 it is choice 1. Then 72. Next one, only bag is phone. Only bag is phone means this entire phone is what? This entire phone belongs to only for bag. And this phone belongs to only for bag, and it does not intersect with anything else. Ee phone anedi bag ki maatrame chendindi. All this phone belongs to only for bag. No bag is table. No intersection between bag and a table. And only a few tables are chairs. Only some of the tables are chairs but not all. Only some tables are chairs but not all. First one, some chairs are bags is a possibility. Chair ikkada, bag ikkada. Is there any possibility here? Possibility. Possibility means, now tell me whether I can able to write my chair like this or not. Am I raskocha leda chair? Right kada? Hence it is possible. All tables can be chairs. Now this entire table can be chairs. Ante table anta enduloki ravali cheppandi, chair loki ravali. Ma chair loki vache chance unda? Ila rasamanukoni, some of the tables are chairs, only some tables are chairs will be false. Hence it is not possible. Hence what is your answer? Only one follows. Only one, and it is given in choice 3. Question number 72, choice 3. Then 73. Now in this 73, only a few pets are cats. That means only some of the pets are cats but not all. Konni pets maatrame cats avutunayi, anni kaadu. And no cat is an animal. No intersection between cat and an animal. And all these dogs are what? All dogs are animals. And first one, some animals can never be pets annadu. Some animals can never be pets ante konni can never be. Can never be stands for all animals are, sorry, some. some animals or pets is not at all possible అన్నాడు. Can never be means can means possibility, never means not. And so here is crime is that some animals or pets is not at all possible. మనం ఏం చేయాలి? Now we are checking out whether pet and animal can be intersected or not. Intersect చేయొచ్చా లేదా? చేయొచ్చు. చేస్తే ఏమైంది? మనకి సమ్ పెట్స్ ఆర్ యానిమల్స్ పాసిబుల్ అయింది. వాడేమంటాడు? ఎట్టి బస్సులో రెండు కలవకూడదు అని అన్నాడు. Hence whatever he said is definitely false. Then coming to the second, no dog is pet, definitely true. ఇది false అంటే some dogs are pets అని రాసుకోవచ్చు కదా. Hence alternate diagram true, previous conclusion false. Hence what is your answer? Neither one nor two. And it is choice 5, question number 73. Then 74, word formation. If it is possible to make a meaningful word from 2, 4, 6, 8. Now 2, 4, 6 and 8. What are the letters we have? U, S, E, I. Now with the help of these 4 letters, is it possible to form any word? No. If no word can be formed, then Z as your answer, choice. Then 75 onwards. Now it is based on a hierarchical order. How many persons are there? 8 persons. And who are those 8? D, E, F, G, H, I, J and K are the 8 persons who hold different positions. Now whenever these positions were given, first change చెప్పండి. The positions given are in the increasing order of seniority. ఆ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఇచ్చాడో లేదో చూసుకోండి. And clerk is the least and CEO is the senior most. Clerk is the least and CEO is the senior most. Hence, now starting with the clerk. Clerk is the junior most. అవునా కదా? Now clerk is here. And next to clerk, tell me who is that person? Next to clerk, assistant manager. And next to assistant manager, this is manager. And next to manager is what? DGM. And next to DGM, general manager. And next one, executive director, ED. And next CEO. Clear? How many persons are there? అందరూ వచ్చారా లేదా? 8 persons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. CGM. Now CGM, now executive director, and after this one CGM. And CGM, and next to CGM is, now next to GM, general manager, CGM, DGM. Next to DGM is what? General manager. Next one is CGM. And next to CGM, executive director. And finally CEO. Done? Now these are the 8 persons. Then coming to condition number 1. మా చెప్పండి ఫస్ట్ కండిషన్ ఏముంది ఇందులో? And clerk is the least and J is senior to GM. As J is senior to GM, J can be in the first 3 places. J is senior to GM. And the number of persons junior to I is 1 more than the number of persons senior to E. K is not executive director. And next one, F designation is GM. Now F is GM. F is GM. And D is junior than K but senior than G. And 3 designations lie between J and I. H is junior to I. Then now first information student, J is senior to GM. As J is senior to GM, what are the different possibilities? J can be here, one possibility, or J can be here, second possibility. And what is the next one here? J is here, that is the third possibility. As J is here, J is senior to GM. Number of persons junior to I is 1 more than senior to E. K is not executive director. And K cannot be at this place. And K cannot be at this place. And next one, F designation is GM. Hence F is GM. And D is junior than K. Now D is junior than K but senior than G. Hence K, D and G. And there are 3 designations lie between J and I. In between J and I, how many? There must be exactly 3. I is here. Clear? And 1, 2, 3. And 3 person designations between J and I. In this case, 1, 2, 3, I is here. Now in this case 1, 2, 3 and I is at this place. సరిపోయిందా లేదా? ఇంకో ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఏంటో చెప్పండి. Number of person junior to I. In the first case there is only one person who is junior to I. That is one more than the number of persons senior to E means, and this one is one more than, hence E must be at the top. Follow here లేదా? Number of persons junior to I is one more than the number of persons senior to E. ఇక్కడ junior to I ఎంతమంది? 2 members. And senior to I ఎంతమంది ఉండాలి? 1 member. ఇక్కడ ఉండే ఛాన్స్ ఉందా? Not possible. Here junior to I ఎంతమంది? 3 members. And senior to whom? And E. Senior to E ఎంతమంది ఉండాలి చెప్పండి? ఇక్కడ మనకి 2 members ఉండాలి. Hence E will be here. సరిపోయిందా? Number of persons junior to I there are 3. That is one more than number of persons senior to E, only 2 persons. And K is not executive director. F's digit. Now K, D and G are the things left over here. K cannot be at this place, hence K, D and G. Sarvendam? And next one here, K cannot be here, K, D and G. Then tell me who is the person left over? H is the person. Now here also H is the person. And H is junior to E. Here in this case H is senior to E. In this case H is junior to E. Sarvendam? Hence the first case is valid. Then what is the position of K? Yes, tell me what is the position of K here? And K is DGM. DGM, that is choice 275. How many designations lie between F and G? Now in between F and G there are only 3. 3 choice 576. As many persons junior to J? Junior to J how many? 5 people. Is same as how many persons senior to J? Senior to J there are 2. Is same as junior to D. And below this D there are only 2 people, choice 1. And 78. 4 out of the following means odd one out. I and MG. Now I and MG, manager and this one, they are adjacent to each other. H and CEO are adjacent. And D and DGM are also adjacent. F and CGM are adjacent. J and GM. J and GM also adjacent. All the persons are adjacent to each other. Then we need to identify the order. Then I and MG. Now I and MG. I is below this manager. Immediately below this manager. H is immediately below this CEO. And D is immediately below this DGM. And F is immediately below this CGM. And J, is J immediately below this GM? No, J is immediately above this GM. Hence choice 5 is the odd one, question number 78. And how many persons are junior to I? There is only one person, choice 1, question number 79. Then 80 onwards, and they are based on blood relations, coded blood relations. Now in this coded blood relations, first we need to find out now A and B. Now whether the same order is given or not for A and B. ఒక్కొక్కసారి ఏమవుతుంది చెప్పండి, రివర్స్ గివెన్. దట్ మీన్స్ A plus B means B is the son of A అంటారు. అప్పుడు ఏం తీసుకోవాలి? Then we need to take in the reverse order. Hence first you need to check out whether in the statement, in the symbol he is moving from A to B. Here again whether he is talking from A to B or not. ఏదైనా రివర్స్ ఉందో డైరెక్ట్గా అదే ఆర్డర్లో ఇచ్చారో లేదో చూసుకోవాలి. Then coming to the first one, P plus. Plus stands for P is the son of S. S is here. And P is here. P is the son of S. S at the rate of R. S is the husband of R. S and R are married couple. S is a male. R is a female. R minus V. R is the daughter of V. R is the daughter of V. V star. V is the mother of T. V is the mother of T. Then according to this one, T is the uncle of P. Is T the uncle of P? Maybe uncle, or maybe aunt, based on the gender of this T. S is the brother-in-law of T. As T is sister's husband, brother-in-law, that is definitely true. Choice to question number 80. Then 81. How is E related to H in the expression H at the rate of? H is the husband of Y. H is the husband of Y. H and Y are married couple. H is a male, Y is a female. And Y star. Y is the mother of whom? Y is the mother of K. And K is the mother of whom? K is the mother of G. And G is the daughter of E. Now this G is the daughter of whom? G is the daughter of. Hence K and E are married couple. Then how is E related to H? H, daughter's husband. Daughter's husband, son-in-law. Son-in-law, choice to question number 81. Then next one 82. And which of the following expression denotes that X is the granddaughter of W? X is the granddaughter of W. Now X and M. Now D at the rate of X means D is the husband of X. Now D is the husband of X and X is the daughter of M. X is the daughter of M. And next one, M is the daughter of whom? M is the daughter of R. M is the daughter of R star. R is the mother of whom? R is the mother of W. This R is the mother of W. Then with the help of this one, W is the granddaughter of X is the granddaughter of W. X is the niece of W rather than granddaughter. Hence choice 1 is ruled out. Then coming to choice 2. And D is the mother. Now D is the mother of M. And M plus means M is the son of R. Sum of X. And next one, X plus R. X plus R means X is the son of R. And next one, R at the rate of W. R and W. R is the husband of W. Then with the help of this one, is X, whatever this X is the son of W. Isn't it? X is the son of W. And X plus R, మన ఇక్కడతో ఆపియోచ్చు. మన క్వశ్చన్ ఏం అడిగాడు చెప్పండి, గ్రాండ్ డాటర్. గ్రాండ్ డాటర్ అంటే మనకి ఏం కావాలి, ఫీమేల్ కావాలి. It X plus means X is a male. Hence choice 2 is anyhow ruled out. Then third one. Now in this third one, X plus aannadu. X plus means X is the son. Again X is a male. This is again ruled out. Then choice 4, X minus means X is a female. D plus M. D is the son of M. M is here. D is here. D is the son of M. M star. M is the mother of whom? M is the mother of X. X plus R. X is the son of R. X is the son of R. R and M are married. And next one, X is the son of R. R plus W. R is the son of W. Now with the help of this one, W is son's son. Son's son is what? Now X minus. X minus means X is the daughter. Daughter means X is a female. Now son's daughter is granddaughter. And so what is your answer? Choice for question number 82. Then in this 83, what is the number given? 7256193. Now in this 7256183, how many such pairs of digits are there? Now tell me how many are there? Now starting with 7, 7, 8, 9 and 7256, 72, how many such pairs of digits are there in the number? Each of which has as many digits between them when the digits are arranged in descending order within the number. Now first all the digits must be arranged in the descending order. 9, 7, 6, 5, 3, 2 and 1. Now all the digits are arranged in the descending order. Then how many such pairs of digits are there? 9. 9 దగ్గర నుంచి ఏం లేదు కదా, 7, 8, 9 and 6, 7, 8, 9 and 5, 6, 7 and next one and in the reverse. Reverse student 1, 1 and 2, isn't it? 1 and 3 and 2 and 3. Next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And next one 5 and 6, 6 and 7, 5 and 7. That is more than 4 choice. Question number 83, choice 5. Then 84 onwards there are some 6 persons. And triangular table. Now this is the triangular table we have. Now in this triangular table 3 persons are at the corners, 3 at the centers. And the one who sits at the 3 corners are facing away from the center. Now these corners are facing away from the center. And these 3 persons are facing towards the center. They get each information. And each one of them likes 3 different water animals. What are those water animals? Crab, dolphin and prawn. And 3 different land animals. Lion, monkey and tiger. R sits at corner of the table, hence I am fixing R at this place. And 2 persons between the one who likes lion and N who likes crab. N likes what? N likes crab. And there are 2 persons between whom the one who likes lion and crab. And 2 persons in between among these 6 is nothing but they are opposite to each other. N and the one who likes lion are opposite to each other. R does not like tiger. R tiger is ruled out. R tiger is ruled out. And P sits second to the right of O. P is seated second to the right of O. and who does not like tiger. Dolphin is to the immediate left of the one who likes lion, and dolphin is to the immediate left of lion. No two water animals are immediate to each other, and at the same time neither P nor M likes dolphin. One person sits between R and the one who likes lion. As how many persons are there? There is exactly one person between R and the one who likes lion. Now చెప్పండి ఎన్ని possibilities ఉన్నాయి మనకి lion? There are two. Now the one who likes lion can be here R, and in the second possibility the persons at the corners are away and centers are facing towards the center, and R is here. And next one R, now this tiger is ruled out, and lion, and there is exactly one person between lion and this. Saripindam. Now ikkada crucial information ichadu. What is that information here? No two water animals are immediate to each other. As lion is here, as no two water animals are adjacent to each other, and at the same time no two land animals are also adjacent to each other, are also not adjacent to each other. కనుక ఇక్కడ లయన్ ఉంది కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ ఏం రావాలి చెప్పండి? టైగర్ అండ్ మంకీ. Out of which tiger cannot be here. Tiger is here. If tiger is here, monkey is here. R likes monkey. సరిపోయిందా? And again coming back to this one, lion is here. Tiger cannot be here. Monkey is here. And if monkey is here, and lion, monkey, and tiger. Tiger is here. And next one, dolphin is to the immediate left of the one who likes lion. Dolphin, the one who likes dolphin, is to the immediate left of the one who likes lion, and dolphin is to the immediate left of the one who likes lion. And next one, and one person sits between. R does not. R sits at one of the corner between lion and N. How many people are there? Two people. Now two people between lion and N, they are opposite to each other. Now this N likes what? N likes crab, and lion is opposite to whom? N. Two people between N and this one. Is it possible? Not possible. Hence this case is ruled out. Now we have left with this one, N R. Now crab అయిపోయింది, dolphin. What else is left over here? Crab, dolphin, and prawn. Hence this person must like prawn. And R sits at the corner, two persons in between lion and N. N who likes crab, and R does not like tiger. R does not like tiger. And next one, and P sits second to the right of O, and O who does not like tiger. O does not like tiger, and P sits second to the right of O, and then P sits. Dolphin is immediately after the one who likes lion. No two water animals. Neither P nor M likes dolphin. Neither P nor M likes dolphin. P and M, here it is ruled out, isn't it? Neither P nor M likes dolphin. Then in the manaki information, P sits second to the right of O. Hence O cannot be at this place, because if O is here and P sits second to the right, which is not possible. Appudu P okkudu undali, and P does not like dolphin itself. Hence P cannot be here, which implies that O cannot be prawn. Hence whatever this one, O is here, and if O is here, P is here, and P is here. Neither P nor M likes dolphin. M likes prawn. M likes prawn, and the person after Q is here. Then who among the following is sitting second to the right of O? Second to the right of O, P, the one who likes tiger. P, the one who likes tiger. Choice 384. And 4 out of the 5, N and crab. N likes crab, and Q dolphin. M likes prawn. P tiger, and R lion. R lion, that is choice 5, question number 85. And how many persons sit between the one who likes dolphin and M? Now between dolphin and M, considering from the left of M, there are 3 people. 3, that is choice 486. What is the position of N with respect to O? N with respect to O, they are opposite to each other. That is 4th to the left, 3rd to the left, or 3rd to the right. 3rd to the left, choice 187. The next one, 88. And which among the following statement is definitely true? The one who likes prawn sits second to the left of N. That is false. N sits at the corner of the table. That is again false. Q and P are immediate neighbors. That's again false. And Q likes dolphin. That is definitely true. Choice 4, question number 88. then 89. Now this 89 is based on directions here. Asha is going to the market from her house and she moves 9 meters in the north. Now let us take this is the starting point of Asha. From here first this person walks 9 meters north, then turns left and moves how many meters? 6 meters. And now she turns right and moves 10 meters. From here right hand side 10 meters and to reach her uncle's house. Now this is her uncle's house and her uncle's house. Then again she turns in the south direction. From here she turns south direction and walks how many meters? 6 meters. Out of this 10, this person covers 6 in the opposite and 4 is left over. And then she turns south and moves 6 meters and then turns left and moves 6 meters. Left hand from here 6 meters. And turns left and 6 meters to reach the market. Hence B is the C is the market. Then in this case, which direction is her uncle's house with respect to her home? Uncle's house with respect to her home. A is her home. Uncle's house is towards north and west to northwest. Northwest choice for 89. Then next one 90th. If your friend's house is in line with the home and northeast. Now her friend's house is, where is her friend's house? North, in line with her home and northeast of her uncle's house. Uncle's house means maybe, and now this is your uncle's house, northeast means anything above this one. And up to here what is the vertical distance? 9 plus 6, 15 and 15 plus 4. 19 is the total distance from here to here. ఇక్కడ ఏమైనా నార్త్ ఈస్ట్ రావాలంటే B కన్నా ఇంకా ముందుకు ఉండాలి పై. And minimum then what can be the distance between our home and friend's house? Can అన్నాడు. Can అంటే possibility. Possibility anything more than 19. Anything more than 19, 19 cannot be here, 15, 13, 17 and it's 21 choice. Clear? ఎందుకంటే ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడికే మనకు 19 అయింది. నార్త్ ఈస్ట్ రావాలంటే Bకి ఇంకా ముందుకు వెళ్ళి రైట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్ తిరగాలి. That means more than 19 is the vertical distance. Hence choice 4 can be the answer. 9. Then next one 91 onwards. Now in this 91, now it is based on a row arrangement. How many persons are there? 7 persons. J, K, L, M, N, O, P. 7 persons 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now 7 persons J, K, L, M, N, O, P. They are sitting in a straight line facing towards north. And they are collecting different rupee notes. 10, 20, 50, 100. 10, what are the notes given? 20 and 50, 10, 20, 50, 100, 100, 200, 500 and 2000. 200, 500 and 2000. Now these are the 8 persons we have. Sorry, 7 persons. L sits at one of the extrements of the line. Hence L can be either at the left extreme or N can be right extreme. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. L sits at one of the extrements. O sits second to the right of the one who has 10 rupees. Now this is O seated second to the right of the one. N is not collecting 500. Now N cannot be 500. And only 2 persons are in between L and the one who collected 10 rupees. L and 10, there are exactly 2 people. And O is seated second to the right of 10 and so O is here. Now here also O is at this place. O is seated second to the right of the one who collected 10 rupees. Neither N nor J collected 10 rupees. Neither N nor J collected 10 rupees means N and J cannot be like this. N and J cannot be like this. Neither N nor J. Number of persons sitting to the right of O there is only one. That is one lesser than the number of persons to the left hand side of the one who collected 2000. That means the one who has collected 2000 must be at this place. 2000. Because number of persons to the right hand side of O is only one. That is one lesser than what? One lesser than 2. And there must be 2 persons to the left hand side of the one who has collected 2000 notes. And 3 persons sit between P and 500. And between P and the one 500, how many people? And there must be exactly 3 people between the one who collected 500 and P. And O did not collect 50 rupees and O50 is ruled out. N sits to the immediate left of J. N is to the immediate left of J. As n is to the immediate left object, we cannot have n at this place, n at this place. N is to the immediate left of J, and so what is the possibility we have? N is here, J is. N is to the immediate left of J. Now in this case, n is to the immediate left of J, n and J can be like this, or in the first two places. Inko possibility undi kada, n and J. And next one, the one who collected 20 rupees is seated second to the right of the one 200. 20 is seated second to the right of 200. And neither O nor J does not sit at is an immediate neighbor of K. O and J is not an immediate neighbor of K. And now in the first case, K cannot be here, K cannot be here, K cannot be here. Hence there is no possibility to this K at all. And K is not adjacent to O and J. Now this one K is not adjacent to O and J, K must be here. If K is here, now between P and 500 there must be exactly 3 persons. Now where should this P? And P and 500. And can we have P at this place? P ekkunde chance unda? And between P and 500, 3 persons not possible. Hence P cannot be here. P is here. Now if P is here and P and 500, how many people? There must be exactly 3. Hence K owns 500. P and 500. Then next one. Now next thing is an information system. And who is the person left over? M is the person. And next one, this n did not collected and between P and 500. P and 500 n is not here. O 50 is ruler. Then we have 20 and 200. The one who collected 20 rupees is seated second to the right of 200. And 20 is seated second to the right of 200. This is 20 and this is 200. And O 50 is ruled out. O cannot be 50, n is 50. Now if n is 50, O is how much? O is 1. Then 91, O collected which are the following rupee notes, and O collected 100 rupees, that is choice for 91. 92, who among the following person collected 10 rupee notes? 10 rupee notes, that is M choice 1. And 4 out of the following means odd one out. J 500, there is one person between J and 500. M and 100, M and 100, there is exactly one person. And next one L and 200, one person. N and 10 rupees, there is one person. P and 50, there are 2 persons. And so what is odd one? Choice by question number 93. The next one, question number 94. Now in this 94, if all the persons are arranged in alphabetical order from right to left. Now all the persons are arranged in alphabetical order from right hand side to left hand side. Now who are the persons? J, K, L, M, N, O, P. And so how many persons remain unchanged? There is only one. One, that is choice 294. And 95. And who sits out to the left of O? J, the one who collected 2000 rupees. Choice for question number 94. 95 is choice. And 96. And 7 persons were there. M, N, O, P, Q, R, and S. And have different ages. Now these 7 persons are of different ages, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And M is older than only 2 persons. This is the crucial information. Whatever this M is older than only 2 people, M is here. And R is older than S, but younger than N. And P is older than S. Now this P is also older than S but younger than R. P is younger than R. That means this P must be in between R and S. N, P, R, S. And next one, S is older than Q is not. M is older than only 2 persons. M is older than only 2 persons. And at the same time, Q is not the youngest. As Q is not the youngest, hence where is this Q? Now Q is not the youngest son. As Q is not the youngest, S is older than Q. S is older than Q means Q is here. And so where is this? Where should this Q? Q is here. S, P, R, N. Now tell me who is the person left? O is the person left. And who is the youngest person? O, that is choice 3, question number 96. And how many persons are older than S? Older than S, there are only 3 persons choiced. The sum of the ages of M and N is 107. Now out of it, second oldest person is 67. And the third youngest person is 35. Now the question is about M and N is how much? 107. M is 37 107 means how much? Much చెప్పండి ఇంకెంత రావాలి? And is 72. Now n is 72 years of age. And m and n is 107. And r and s is 105. R and s is 105, r is 67. And 105 కి ఎంత రావాలి చెప్పండి? 38. 38. Then the difference between s and n. Now n is 72, s is 38. Now the difference between these two is so much? 34. Choice 5, question number 98. 99, what is the possible age of? Now whose age is possibly be 25 years? Now whose age is 25? Whose age is possible 25 years? Then now tell me who can be 25 years of age? Who can be 25 years of age? Either Q or O, that is choice to question number 99. And finally 100, and it is based on coding and decoding. Now in a certain code language, eat balanced food. How is balanced written in that one? Now balanced is here. Now eat and food. Now if you compare the first and the second, food is common. And what is the code that is common? DYAJML. ML is the code to the word food. And next one, eat and balance. My eat and balance no word is repeated. Hence TYAJ in any order, either TY or AJ in any order, choice for question number 100. Clear? And next one, question number 58. Now question numbers 58, 55 onwards. Now question number 58 onwards. And 55, 9, 22, 61. 9 and 22, what is the difference? We have 30. And 22 and 61, what difference is 22 and 61? 39. And next difference is so much? 65. So remember 13 into 1, 13 into 3, 13 into 5, and 13 into 7, 91. And 13 into 9, 11. Now 9 plus 7, how much is that? 6. And and 117. Now 7 plus 7, the last digit is how much? 4. And 21 plus 11, and the 32, 334, choice. And question number 55, the choice 1 is the answer. Difference between the numbers are odd multiples of 13. And 56, 6 and 16, what is the difference we have? 10. Next difference between 10 and 16 and 33, 17. And 33 and 59, make a difference in Japan. And 26. Now 10 plus 7, 17. 17 plus 9, 26. Or else 10 can be written as 3 squared plus 1. 17 is 4 squared plus 1. 5 squared plus 1. 6 squared plus 1, 37. And 7 squared plus 1, 50. And 96 plus 50, 146. Choice to question number 56. And 57. Now 8 and 9. Now check out the choices. My choices are more than 1400 on, isn't it? 8 and 9. What is the difference we have? Now into 1 plus 1 raskocha. And 9 into 2, 18 plus 3, 21. 21 into 3, 60. 21 into 3 is how much? 63 plus 5. Into 1 plus 1, into 2 plus 3, into 3 plus 5. That means the given numbers are multiplied with what? Multiplied with odd numbers. And odd numbers. And 1, 2, 3, sorry. They are multiplied with conjugative numbers. Into 5 plus how much? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 plus 9 into 5. 45 plus 9, 54. Last digit must be 54. Among the choices, last digit 54 given in only in choice 3. Given in only in choice. Then next one 58. Now in this 58, 4, 24, 82. And 4 and 24. What is the difference we had? 20. And next 24 and 82 difference in the Japan. Now question number 24 and 82. Difference is 58. Now 58 is the difference. 82 and 202. 120. And next one 202 and 414. Difference. 300 and not 212. and the difference is how much? 212. And next is how much? Now this 20 can be written as, now 212 ఎలా రాసుకోవచ్చు చెప్పండి? Now 212 can be written as 6 cube 216 minus 4. Right లేదా? And 120 can be written as 5 cube 125 minus 5. 58 can be written as, now 58 is, and 4 cube minus 6. And next one 20 can be written as 3 cube minus 7. సరిపోయిందా? 3 cube, 4 cube, 5 cube and 6 cube. Next one 7 cube. Now minus 7 minus 6 minus 5 minus 4 and finally 7 cube minus 3 must be subtracted. What is 7 cube? 343 minus 3 and 340. Now 340 if you add to this one and 414 340, that would be 754 choice. 58 choice. Then 59 and 12 15, the difference is 3 and next difference is 5 7 and 27 11. 3 5 7 11 13. 38 plus 15 13, that is 51 choice 3. Clear? Now this is about paper number 231.